So we're back, this time in Mom and Dad's backyard again, using the leftover bricks from the fire pit to make some pallet chairs. So placing the bricks underneath them and measuring roughly where they should go, laying the pallets in place, and then going from there. Some live action footage here. So these pallets were taken from a shipping area where they just pile them up. They're starting to catch on. They're not free anymore. They were free for a good while. My parents stored them up so I could build their chairs. So you'll see I put them on the blocks that'll help prevent rotting from water. This land is on a grade, so I'm kind of afraid to stick a chair in that corner, this corner, because the water will definitely run into it. So I've decided to prop them up, just two people of reasonable size can fit on each one. And this is one of the more busted up pallets, but it's going to be okay because the angle is going to begin right back here, and then shouldn't have a problem, should we? People might get pinched over there, but you know, we'll have them sign a waiver. Ay. So anyway, I was going to show you some problems with the repurposed pallets. You often have to review them for nails. Just put those nails back where they belong and you're good to go. I mean, honestly, for recycled pallets, they're really not bad shape. You know, they're meant to ship and stuff arrive. But I just wanted to bring that out, that you want to always check for those kind of things, because, you know, you'd rather your guests not to tear up their clothes when they come. They're going to just take this one off. Yeah, there we go. Whoop, whoop. Now for the screw placement, I was going to go with cup hooks for the top part so you can adjust the chair, but alas, they were not strong enough. You'll see pictures of them later and how they bent mercilessly. So went with hex head screws and it worked. Always hitting the meteor part. The rain kind of caught me. I didn't get a chance to put any finishing touches on them, but I think this is all it's gonna get done because I'm gone tomorrow, but I'm pretty happy with it. Let me screw it out. Yeah, this dedication, guys. This is the lengths I'll go to for these videos, because I'm like, doggone it, I'm finishing today, or I'm finishing today. But I'm pretty happy with it. What do you think? Leave your comments below. Be nice.